Welcome to the Florida Historic Capitol Museum. I'm Rachel. We are here in Tallahassee. This building is located at the top of a tall hill. From here we can see all around. Today, instead of looking out there, we're going to look down in the ground to see what we can learn about the Capitol's early days. I'm in the Great Events Room in the Historic Capitol Museum, thinking about the excavations that happened at the Capitol in the 1970s. Excavation is a fancy word for digging. Excavations can be very fast, like with a digging machine, or they can be really, really slow. Archaeological excavation is slow because we use something like this called a trowel, and because each object is recorded in place before it gets moved. When the archaeologists from the Florida Department of State were called in to investigate some things here at the Capitol, they found some very old artifacts. Let's imagine we're archaeologists and we're going to dig underneath the Capitol. We'd start by measuring out an area to dig. This square is measured at 1 meter by 1 meter, and that makes it 1 meter square. When archaeologists excavated at the Capitol, they found a lot of bricks, very old bricks. The first Capitol in Tallahassee to be made out of bricks opened in 1845. These bricks can be put onto our map showing the excavation right here. It's important that we draw very careful records when we are doing archaeological excavations. It's super important so we can know where something was, especially how deep it was, because that will tell us how old it might be. So, archaeologists keep good records when they do excavations. Archaeologists also found bottles, like this inkwell. Glass does not break down very easily in the ground, and so glass is found a lot in historical excavations. Let's get this one on the map. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, so we also found buttons made out of bone. These here are made of plastic, but just to show you all of the different kinds of things that can be found in an archaeological excavation. Let's put those on the map too. Okay. Did you know that there were lots of toy parts that were found in the 1970s excavation? There are lots of interesting things to discover through archaeology. I hope you'll visit us at the Historic Capitol Museum this summer to see the toys from the real excavations on loan from the Florida Division of Historical Resources, and much, much more.